Ghost stories sound thrilling and mysterious when they are just stories. But what if these stories stop being fiction and appear before you as reality? Today's young generation often does not believe in ghosts or spirits. But just because we don't believe in something, does that mean it doesn't exist? That doesn't seem possible, does it? Today we are going to introduce you to a haunted place that is believed to have been built by a spirit itself. The step wells or Bauris of Jodhpur, Rajasthan are very famous among local people. There are many step wells here, but one of them is believed to have been built with the help of ghosts. About 90 kilometers from Jodhpur lies a historic village called Rathasi. According to the history of Marwar, when the Champavat branch of Rajputs living in Jodhpur split, one group settled in a village called Kaparda. However, the young Rajput princes living there started troubling the saints and sages who were meditating in the village. Angered by their behavior, the saints cursed them, saying that their future generations would never be able to live in that village. When the princes told their families about the curse, everyone became terrified. They abandoned the village and moved to another place, Rathasi village, located about 90 kilometers from Jodhpur. In this village, there is a step well that is believed to have been built with the help of ghosts. It is said that ghosts and spirits assisted the villagers in building this step well. Located inside the palace of Thakur Jai Singh, people still come from faraway places to see it. A popular legend about this step well says that once Thakur Jai Singh was travelling on horseback from Jodhpur to Rathasi village. On the way, his horse lagged behind his servants, and before he realized, night had fallen. The horse was extremely tired and very thirsty. Seeing a pond nearby, Thakur Jai Singh took his horse to drink water. It was midnight when suddenly the king saw a strange figure. Slowly that figure transformed into a human-like form. The king was frightened. The spirit said, "I am thirsty, but due to a curse, I cannot drink water from this well." The king gave water to the spirit. Touched by the kindness of the king, the spirit said that it would fulfill any wish the king asked for. The king accepted the order but said, "I will not work openly. Whatever work is done during the day will increase 100 times at night." The spirit also warned the king not to tell this secret to anyone. Just 2 days later, construction of the palace structures and the step well began. At night, mysterious sounds of stone carving echoed through the area. Day by day, the construction progressed at an unbelievable speed. But when the